Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. It's Christmas in July. Oh, the moment we've all been waiting for.
I've been seeing everyone post their, I got my box.
They've been really good. Thank you so much, all of our unboxing community, for not posting what's in the box.
Yeah.
I'm sure tomorrow and the days coming, these boxes are going to be open all over YouTube, and so we're all going to know what each other got.
Yeah. Because it's the same.
I understand it's the same.
Yeah, in each box.
Yeah.
Because it's a special Christmas in July box. And there were only a limited number of these. So you had to get on there and order it super fast.
And there's something extra special as well, right?
There is. There was an extra bonus that they offered after the initial order. So we opted for that as well.
Of course we did. Yeah. Well,
Let's open it.
I say we get this thing open,
Okay.
huh?
Let's see what's in it.
It's extra big. You know, here, let's show this one more time.
It is big.
It's extra big. So,
It's a big box.
big box. Oh, almost got my address probably. Yeah, see? Woo! All right.
Weird.
So weird.
The box is a little beat up.
Yeah. I think FedEx must have had some fun with this box.
Yeah, hopefully nothing breakable in there.
All right.
Okay. Can we be careful with it?
Woo! Woo! Red confetti.
Red and green.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know what any of it is.
I don't know what any of it is either.
It's fabric. It's got handles.
Tree skirt with handles.
I think it's a bag.
Item number 1. Anything on it? Oh
Yes.
yeah, there is something on it.
Oh
Check
my
that out.
gosh, how cute is that?
Aww.
Walt Disney World.
Walt Disney World.
Walt Disney World, Mickey and Minnie. That's a super cute bag.
That is a cute bag.
Let's just, oh, and a zipper.
Yep.
Wow. Oh, and a zipper
And
compartment
a zipper
inside.
Is the special prize in there?
No.
Oh.
This is super
I
cute.
wonder if this was the special prize.
I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna know.
I don't know what we're. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, 1 for 1.
All right. Not bad. All right.
What is it?
Good tidings.
Good
Oh. It
tidings.
says that on the backside. Good tidings.
Good tidings, and then
Oh,
Minnie
look.
and Mickey. Now, this
That's
looks
cute.
like our Alice in Wonderland, where they did not call it a coffee mug; it was a soup mug.
Soup, something or
But
other.
I would totally drink
Yeah.
coffee out of this.
That is cute.
It is super cute. Can't
Soup.
put down on it.
It's super cute.
It's super cute.
Not bad so far.
Okay.
I have been looking and waiting for us to get one of these. Ah,
Oh my gosh, he's cute.
look at that.
How cute is he?
This is awfully heavy.
Oh, is there something inside?
I'm wondering.
This is a Loungefly Mickey.
is a
I'm totally gonna take that to school if
Are
we
you?
go back to school.
If we go back to school. Let's see.
The kids
Oh my
love
goodness.
school.
Look at that. Ah,
What is that? It's a little gingerbread coin purse. How cute! It's a Mickey gingerbread.
well, Merry Christmas
Merry
so far.
Christmas. That is so cute.
Is there a $100 bill in there?
No.
Oh,
That'd be nice.
be nice.
How cute is that little
Oh.
coin purse?
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Maybe we should save this till the end.
Well, I knew you were
Well,
going to want to save something.
Because there's always like a bag in the Magic
Okay,
at Your
go
Door.
ahead and
If you
save.
get the gold box, it's gold. The silver box
Okay.
is silver.
All right.
All right. This.
Oh, this is for me.
Okay, you can open it. Look at this. There's
Wait.
gel packs.
Oh my gosh, weirdo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You're always looking for those.
Look. Starbucks, Happy Holidays.
That kind of matches
It
your
does
ornament.
match. I have the
Yeah.
little ornament. Love it.
Does it have a gift card?
No. I love it. Starbucks.
If you haven't
Happy
figured it
Holidays.
out, this box was quite the dollar amount. So I'm just looking to see if we get any of that back.
Okay. I'm loving
Oh.
the mug.
Oh, something for you.
Okay.
Something
Okay.
for you.
Okay. Because,
There you go.
like we said in our last video, we're not huge ears people.
But I have the cap on.
You
so-
have the cap on. We're not huge ears people because they give me a headache. Oh, these are like little. Ooh, those are tight. Are they kids'
Not
ears?
so much. I mean, are they too tight? I don't want you to have a headache.
Oh, they're tight.
We got to make it through this video.
Oh,
And I think we're only...
why are they so
we
tight?
still got a lot of stuff in here.
I wonder if those are kids' ears.
Well, then they're
Let's just-
4-year-old ears. Try to get
I'm
those
gonna
on.
try to get those on.
Not bad. All right,
Is
let's.
it on?
That's for our thumbnail.
I'm gonna have to take these off because they're really tight. But they're cute. I bet you Mackenzie would like
We got a
it.
couple boxes in
Now
boxes.
my hair's like completely.
We have a red box, but I don't think it's a red box.
No, it's a different kind of red box.
Yeah.
It's Department 56, which is just as good
Oh,
as.
so oh.
Box is a little.
Even though we're huge Disney fans, just a little note, just to kind of get to know us. She has the longest running Hallmark set, ornament set.
Mm-hmm.
And it's called
Frosty Friends.
Frosty Friends. It's been going for
You can tell me how old I am?
not very long. I mean, in the big scheme of things, but she has been getting Frosty and Friends her entire life.
My entire life. So we don't have a lot of Disney ornaments.
We
is
don't.
What you're saying, is
We've been
because-
trying to build our Disney ornament.
And Hallmark does Disney
Mhm.
ornaments.
Yeah. Check out Hallmark. Actually, I think it comes out like this month, right?
In July.
In July. Yeah. So
For
go
next
go to your
year's.
nearest Hallmark store, and you can check out all the Disney ornaments, plus some Frosty and Friends if you want to start the collection. It's probably going to go on for another years. So
21.
yeah, 21 years.
Super cute. Okay, so we're gonna have more Disney ornaments for our tree now.
Not a bad deal. Let's see. This just says Disney Christmas on it.
A Jim Shore. It was a secret Jim Shore.
Secret Jim Shore. This. Oh, whoops. I looked at it. Dang it.
You're always looking at it
Well,
before.
I didn't mean to.
Okay, what is it?
Right there. We have my Sorcerer Mickey. Hopefully, Disney Merts, you're enjoying your Sorcerer Mickey as well.
We like Sorcerer Mickey. Oh.
I like Pumbaa.
That is cute.
I
it's
like
a
Timon.
Mickey, Christmas Mickey. What's the name of this one?
I don't know, but I'm gonna call this the Big Papa Mickey.
Oh, he's doing the
He's doing the Big Papa pose.
Papa pose.
Yep. 'Tis a splendid season.
It sure is.
I like that. That's going on the shelf.
Yeah. Well, where else would it
Well, I mean, it's going on the shelf year round.
go? Okay.
Yeah. We don't have to just pull that out during Christmas. All right. Kind of messy here, but it's fun. All right, here we go. A red box. Is it show it on the front, you think?
Department 50. I don't know. Yes.
This takes us back.
I'm shocked that they're shipping a snow globe like that.
I know. I'm worried. But, someday I think we'll do a video where we'll pull out our snow globes.
Okay.
We had a snow globe for a wedding cake topper.
We did. A Mickey and Minnie snow
Yeah.
globe. Yeah. I'm still super excited about that Starbucks Disney
Do you want to bring that back out?
the mug.
Nice. Now this one we might not keep out all year round.
I mean, it's cute.
Department what?
56.
Department 56. All right. Well, Merry Christmas again in July.
Is that it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
We've got, it looks like one more thing in here. Let's see. Oh, two more things.
Oh.
I thought it was Hallmark for a second.
Cinderella. Sketchbook Cinderella ornament.
You don't seem too excited. Where's your coffee mug? Look at your coffee mug. That is really neat, that coffee mug.
This is cute. Little Cinderella ornament. We
Yeah.
fluff out her dress a little bit. She's cute.
That would be a cute. That'll be a neat. That'll be a beautiful something or other on the tree. Addition. That's what I'm trying to think of.
Okay.
That'll be a beautiful addition to the tree.
Okay.
No.
What is that? Oh my gosh.
The heck?
It's an ornament and a lithograph. And it's not only an ornament and a lithograph. It's Alice in Wonderland.
They must have read your.
I think everyone gets the same thing.
Does everybody get the same thing? I wonder.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Artist Series Limited Edition.
And it's the Queen of Hearts, which we have video from 2007 with Mackenzie, just hilarious with the Queen of Hearts and telling, who was it, Milan?
Oh my gosh, you always get this story wrong.
Oh my gosh.
She told Snow White, she told Jasmine.
Jasmine, that's what I was thinking.
Jasmine, we have pictures. She was telling Jasmine that the Queen of Hearts was going to cut off her head because during the parade, the Queen of Hearts came at her and went.
Yeah.
And she was little, so she was like, and then she told.
Off with her head.
She told Jasmine, the Queen of Hearts is going to cut off my head. She told me she was going to cut off my head. And Jasmine said, it's okay, I will find Aladdin and we will go talk to the Queen of Hearts.
It was so cute.
It was super
I don't know
cute.
if we actually had video on that.
We don't have video
No.
of it, but we just have still photos.
We do have still photos that we're talking.
In our memory.
In our memory, which apparently mine is not working.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
This is cute.
That is super cute.
Hey, what's in the bag?
All right, let's open the bag and then we'll call this a wrap. Oh,
Aww.
look at that.
Stuff off of it. That's cute.
That is cute.
Little Minnie Mouse handbag.
Yeah. So we got some additions to our tree this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. As big a Disney fans as we are, you would think our tree would be full of Disney.
It's not. All right.
Well, all right. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you've enjoyed all of the unboxings for Christmas in July. Shout out to all of our fellow unboxers out there. Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas to all the other people out in YouTube land.
Okay.
Appreciate you stopping by Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.